Hey guys, and welcome to the Farming Pastor's Wife. Today, we're going to make white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. One of my favorite. And nothing says I love you quite like a cookie fresh baked out of the oven. So join me, that's what we're going to make now. Okay guys, so the video you're about to see is the macadamia nut cookies. White chocolate macadamia nut. And I did not video Bryant's tasting or his reaction to them because when he came in, he was just really dirty. And I've showed him dirty before, you know, because he works on the farm. And but he was really dirty. And I just didn't have my camera out. There was a lot going on. And so I didn't share his reaction, but oh, how I wish I had. When he tasted it, he looked at me and he says, "You can make these every day." They are so good, y'all. I hope you enjoy. Well, guys, I want to thank you for joining me. If this is your first time to my channel, The Farming Pastor's Wife, I want to say welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I hope that you will subscribe, hit the bell notification. We do farming videos, mostly cooking videos, and an occasional ministry video. So, if you would, please hit subscribe, hit the bell notification, share my videos, give me a thumbs up, and ask your friends and family to join as well. And if you are one of my family, my longtime subscribers, thank you for coming back, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So, white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. Alright, so here's what we're going to start with. A cup of butter. And that is the equivalent of 2 sticks. And I do have mine at room temperature. And yes, I have 2 separate brands of butter. You use what you got, right? 2 sticks of butter. We're going in with 1/2 cup of sugar. And 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Alright, and let's just beat that up till it's nice and smooth. Okay, and as you can see in there, it kind of resembles peanut butter or an almond butter, so that's what you want it to look like. And now we're going in, let's bring this over here, with 2 eggs. Alright, let's beat that up a little bit longer. Okay guys, we're going in with a squirt or 2 of vanilla and just an ever so slightly drop of almond flavoring. About 1/2 of that cupful. Almond flavoring is very strong. Okay, let's go in, guys, with 2.5 cups of flour. So there's 1/2, 1, 1/2, 2, and a half. All right. And y'all may be wondering where my cover is that someone gave me that I still don't know who it is. It's in the dishwasher. And I haven't opened the other one yet. So, and to this flour, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to let this mix together and let it just come together. And once it comes together, we'll add in our chocolate and our macadamia nuts. Okay guys, I got 2 packages here, 1/2 cup each of macadamia nuts. So that's what we're going in here with. Whoa. Gonna give a quick mix.
Tastes like chicken.
Tastes like what? Chicken. Alright, there's our macadamia nuts in there. And now we're going in with a cup of white chocolate chips. And a few extra for good measure. It's Valentine's. My great nephew over here is getting the ones I dropped. Okay guys, I'm going to get my oven preheated, my pan's ready, and I'll meet you over here when it comes time to scoop out. Okay guys, we're going to scoop them onto our trays. Your smaller size scoop works good, and we're going to put them about 2 inches apart. Okay guys, well the last batch has gone in, and here is the first batch out. So let's give it a try. So good. It tastes like that kind that you get at Subway. Y'all, that is so good. I can't get over how good they are. They're delicious. So they go in a 350 oven for 10 minutes. I've got my last batch in, and these just came out. You want to try a cookie?
Yeah.
My niece is here. It's Riley. Try your cookie.
Okay.
And tell them what you think about it.
I love it.
Love it. She loves it. And I love her. Look what she got me for Valentine's Day. She got me 2 of them. And I can't wait to eat them. So y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching The Farm and Pastor's Wife. Thank you for visiting with me and Riley. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Bye y'all.